Hi, this is Brandon McCulka from BrandonMcCulka.com, and I'm going to show you how to beautify a post for a blog. So, we're in the back end of our website in the post editor. It says Edit Post, and we typed in this lovely title, Beautify this post. And so I'm going to show you how to actually add some content, maybe an image, and really work with it a little bit. Um, so, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy some text in here. It's just some lorem ipsum, and it's nothing that's important. And I'm going to maybe just add a little title, and we'll call it header 1. And what I'm going to show you what it does is how to give things bold look, how to actually add what's called a header that will make it look a lot more bold and stand out. And so what I'll do is I'll just take this header 1 and I'm going to put heading 1 on it. And so now you can see it's got bigger, it stands out, and it's bold. And say I wanted to just take this and make this a little bit bold, I would just click on the bold button. And then if I want this italicized, I would just click on the italicized button. And maybe I wanted to put another paragraph in here, and I actually want this to be a quote. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to click on this quote button, and it makes it into what's called a block quote. And say I want a little bit more text, but I don't want this to be a block quote, so I'm going to unclick block quote, and I'm actually going to right align it. I want it to be on the right hand side of the page for some apparent reason. I'm going to take this little bit right here, and I want to underline it because it's important. And that looks pretty good. And then, you know what this is missing? It's missing an image. Let's put an image of the dance studio right at the top here. So I'm just going to click onto a new line and click my cursor in between those two, and then there's this upload insert button right here. And click on that, and it's going to bring up my add media. And it's as simple as dropping files here. You can still select files by clicking this and navigating through, but I'm just going to drag and drop a file onto my browser. So I'm just going to click this and bring this over and just drop it here. It's going to upload it real quick. It's going to crunch the numbers, and then boom, it's right here. It gives you a few options. Our alignment, we're just going to keep it at none for right now because we want it to be on its own line. And that seems really big. Websites are usually only 900 pixels wide, so maybe we'll just put a medium-sized picture into there. And as you get going with this and you work with it more, you'll understand which medium size is and what large is and full size, and it just becomes more evident the more you play with it. And so we'll just insert this into the post, and you can see it's right there. And I can preview what this looks like. And it should load up, and you can see our header 1 is nice and big and bold. We have the image on its own line. We have some text, some bold in there. We have some italicized. We have an underlining right here. This is what our block quote. It's made it all look like a quote and put a little line on the side of it. And then this is right aligned text. So you can see how easy it is to actually manipulate text just like a text editor like Microsoft Word. Now, say I don't want this on its own line. I actually want it to be to the right here, and I want the text to wrap around it. That's really easy to do. So what I want to do is I just want to drag it down to the same line as everything else. I'll just delete this extra space up here. And so now it's on the same line, but it's not going to show up right. What we need to actually do is click into this little image right there, and I'm going to say I want to align it right. And you can see it gives you a little preview of what it would look like. And you can center align it, which is going to put it on its own line again, and it's going to center align it. Or you could left align it, and it will fit into the text, the left. And you can see over here on the side, you can also make it smaller really easily. Let's just click right align, because that's what I actually wanted, and I'll hit update. And you can see immediately in the preview that it is updated. We'll click preview again, and what we'll do is it will refresh this page that we already have loaded. And here you go. You can see what it looks like. It looks great. The image is on the right hand side, the text is on the left hand side, and all of our other formatting is still there. So that's how you update and make beautiful pages in WordPress. So thanks for tuning in. This is Brandon McCulka signing out.